What's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna show you here with my cousin how to make some epic hot dogs. Let's go. First step is
you need to make sure that you oiled it down first. We had spray oil that we used. Next, what you're gonna need to do is put down the hot dog sideways so it gets those nice grill marks. And the hot dog actually is almost a square shape because it's packaged and it's not real meat, but it'll have a kind of shape. And when this gets cooked a little bit, we'll just rotate it on the other side it has.
fix.
Fast with lots of heat, or you can warm up a little more slowly.
Yeah. My uncle didn't tell me any. Oh, wait, okay. Why am I talking like that? What to do is you gotta close it after you get the hot dogs on to help it cook faster. I didn't get any help from anybody. That makes sense.
So now we wait.
Now we wait.
We're waiting for the sound to hear them sizzle.
Approach from
Yeah.
away from the heat.
Oh,
on
okay.
top of the heat.
Yeah. I got you. Next step is to flip.
It's a 180 degree
the
flip.
dogs.
There you go. The beauty of the hot dog is actually, when you buy it in the store, it's already as cooked as it's going to get. It's just not warm.
This is very interesting.
Also, the grill is always warmer in the back than the front, for what it's worth.
Oh, so
Good thing to know. Since we lost a little mileage here.
Nani?
You just want to get some sort of section you have.
That one looks like a zit pump. Yeah.
It does.
It's juicy.
See hotter in the hotter in the butt.
Oh yeah, bro. Looks like a
That
burnt
one's,
chungus.
that one's looking.
Okay, next we're gonna be heating the buns. You put them on the upper part because there's less heat there, but still in the back. So it's more of a slow cook instead of an instant like fire. Is that in video?
Tell him to next step.
Video or picture?
I'm doing a video. Are you
Okay.
going? Wait, it's upside down. Hold up. There we go.
The buns are crisp. It's probably been about 3 minutes, so ooh, that looks good and crispy.
That's
so
nice.
grab that. Remember to always use your little thong or tongers because you don't want to get hurt and die. Look at that.
Yeah, nice and.